Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to register with Bharat Connect to transact with other businesses on the platform from Tally Prime. Let's see how to register with Bharat Connect using GSTN UIN. Ensure you have logged into Bharat Connect using your Tally.net ID. Press Alt-Z. All Bharat Connect options and select Manage Registrations. In the Manage Registration screen, you can see PAN and GSTIN's UINs. Select the PAN or the required GSTIN to register. Now, press F6 to register. Select the GSTIN UIN from the list. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number to verify the GSTN UIN. Next, choose a B2B ID from the suggested list or enter it manually. Press Ctrl A to accept the screen. If you have more than one GSTN UIN, you can register each of them in the same way. Once successful, the status will appear as registered along with displaying your GSTN and B2B ID. Now, with all the GSTN UIN registered, you might want to see the B2B ID for every GSTN and the user access. Along with reviewing the details of your registered GSTN, you can also manage users who have access to Bharat Connect registration data. In the Manage Registration screen, from the GSTN UIN, press F7. In the Manage GSTN UIN, you can see the list of B2B IDs along with their description and status. Additionally, you can see the list of users who have access to the Bharat Connect registration data in an approved state. You can also manage your user access. That's it. You have learned how to register with GSTINs on Bharat Connect. You can now seamlessly transact with other businesses on the platform. Thank you.